Hey YouTube Quilters, it's Joe here. I hope you guys have had a great 2018. I've had one that's been really eventful, so if you want to stick around, I'm going to give a quick update, tell you where I've been, and tell you hopefully where we're going. Hey YouTube Quilters, thanks for sticking around. This has been a very event-filled 2018. I have been so busy, no energy, a lot happened, and this just took a back burner. As you can see, I'm gonna move this here. I have a lot of boxes to unbox, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to get some content in a queue so I can release videos hopefully twice a week. I have some other videos I still need to edit. I'm going to edit this one and get this one up immediately so you know that I'm not gone. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for filling out the mailing list. Thank you for the emails. I am putting all of that down. And I'm almost to 50 people, and so when I get 50 people, I'm going to kind of then go to the post office and send you guys your little gift. But I didn't want to do it one at a time because, like I said, I've been so busy. But if you're getting something, it's in here. I have your name, and I have your email address, and your address, and I wrote it down, so we're all good to go. So that should be coming soon. That was awesome getting all of those emails, comments coming. There was a couple that were like really heartfelt and concerned that I'm going over doing too much. And you were probably right. Maybe you foreseen what was coming up. But I'm still going to work towards my goals, but they are measurable outcomes that I've written for myself, and sometimes you just don't meet your outcomes. So I'm okay with that, but I want to try to meet them. I haven't been sewing at all. So you're probably like, what happened? So January 2nd, I lost one of my administrative assistants. She transferred from my department to another department, and I wasn't realizing the impact that was going to have on me. But it did. I was extremely busy at work. I was just like, whoa, this is not happening. Because I already had, if you remember, I had vacation and I had some type of viral infection before I went back to work. So I was already drained. I was just like, and then she was gone. So I really didn't have to, I didn't have anyone to turf stuff off onto. So that was really hard for me. So I had to work like crazy to get a new position approved, and then I wanted another RN, so I had to do all this stuff. While I did that, like I said, I was just so drained already, and it was busy, and I was at work a lot, and I would come home and I was just so tired already, and Anakin's in the back. He also, I think, went through some kind of depression while I was not feeling well. So I'm already busy. I'm missing somebody. I'm not enjoying work. And then on a Wednesday, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, I think, I started coughing at work after I did like a webinar. And then started feeling a little achy. And then I came home and boom, I had the flu. This one was the real deal flu. I was out. I don't really remember much of anything. I had people bring me stuff because I was not leaving. And poor Anakin, I don't know if he got sick or whatever, but he didn't leave my side. I know that. So we both kind of been recuperating. And then I got better probably within 5 days because it didn't last. The actual me not being able to move and breathe and all that did not last more than about 5 days. But I think it might be because I had the flu shot. I don't know. But I wasn't eating. I was forcing myself to drink. I was nauseous. I had some antiemetics called in for me, so that was helping, but I was just like, I had no energy because I wasn't eating. And as you can see, I've lost a good 10 pounds from this wonderful ordeal, but it wasn't because I was trying, it just happened. So I'm just laying in bed for days, and then I had to go back to work, and I was so drained already, and so I would work, and then I was trying to get a new person hired, and it was hard, and I would come home like at, I'd get home probably like 5:30 after sitting in traffic for like 45 minutes, and I would just go to bed. I wouldn't even do anything. I just go straight to bed and sleep until the next day. So I was doing that for a week or so, but I started slowly getting better, and my apartment was so condemnable. I wasn't cleaning or doing anything, and this has been the first weekend that we've actually done stuff, and Anakin's like running all over the apartment, jumping around. He's so happy, and I don't know if you can hear the squeaky toy, but he has a squeaky toy. Do you want to play with the squeaky toy? You want to bring it to me? No? Okay. He said no. But he's actually happy now. Anyway, so tangents there. As you can see, I'm feeling a lot better. So I started getting my energy back probably 6 days ago, I would say. Started slowly cleaning up my apartment, getting everything organized, and all of my boxes from my unboxing just kept building up, and I wasn't going and getting them from the leasing office. So when I did go, I had to get, I think it was like 7 boxes at once. It was crazy. She's like, where you been? And I'm like, oh. So she had to help me carry out my stuff to my car. But anyway, yeah, so feeling better. I'm gonna offer a job hopefully on Monday to my new assistant, or well, she'll be more than that. So hopefully I get to she'll accept that job. But I'm offering that on Monday, and then I think we're good to go. And then there's some other stuff that we can talk about later, but I can't talk about any of that right now. But that was happening at the same time with all this happening, and so my mind was just drained. And then I went to drastic measures because, as you know, I had the viral infection or whatever in December. Then I got the flu in January, and I felt awful. So I was like, you know what? I'm getting a new bed. So a couple days ago, I got my mail order bed. I ordered the Casper bed. If you guys have that, what do you guys think about it? Because I am in love with it, and I am sleeping like a rock and waking up feeling amazing. It was awesome because I ordered it, and it got here within 2 days, and it came in, I ordered the foundation and the bed. It came in 2 boxes. I live on our 3rd floor, nice big apartment, so the UPS man had to carry that up the stairs. I feel bad about that because it was heavy boxes, but I put the bed together. I put it together within like 10 minutes. It was awesome, and it feels amazing. It was expensive though, but it was cheaper than my old bed. Anyway, yeah, so I have a new Casper. I went to drastic measure because I'm like, that bed that I'm laying on is germed, all to craziness. So the whole apartment is bleached or Cloroxed everywhere. New bed. Been doing crazy cleaning. But anyway, so that's really what's been happening with me. I haven't been on the social media sites just because I haven't been on my social media sites. But I am reading your emails that come through. I want to start replying to them, but until work really calms down, which hopefully the next 2 weeks, I have to be cautious of like where I'm spending my time because we have a busy year coming up at work. So I need to make sure that everything's planned out. But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for giving me all the advice that you guys have been giving me. So yeah, I have so much to do still. I need to, clean and rearrange the sewing studio. I have all these boxes to unbox. I need to finish that one pattern that I was working on. I need to do a lot of stuff. It's on my to-do list, and I've been putting a to-do list in here also. But I'm still here. Thank you for sticking around. You guys are great. I've been watching some of your videos. I haven't been watching your unboxings because I want to be surprised when I open up my own unboxing. But once I unbox them today, I'll probably be watching. I'm going to start answering your guys' comments. Oh, and what's really exciting is that there's a lot of male quilters that are coming out of the shadows and emailing me or leaving me messages. So that's cool. I didn't know that there was that many out there. This is amazing. So thank you, YouTube quilters, for sticking around. Thank you for leaving me comments, checking up on me. It makes me feel awesome. Go ahead and like my Facebook page out there. I've been trying to increase the number of posts. I just posted 2 today. It's a great way to interact and let you guys show pictures on what you're working on. Let me know in the comments below what you're working on, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to stick around. I promise I will try not to take more leaves of absence. I will try to stick around and get you content that's always updated. So, with that said, Happy New Year again. Hope you guys are doing well. Can't believe it's almost February. There's a lot to get done. All right, guys. Bye. Hey, YouTube quilters. I'm back again. No, they can't do that. My ears just popped.